Today we're going to be installing this Backrack headache and rails for my 2016 F150. So first we got to remove these OEM stock rails that it came with. So these are the Putco rails. They are pretty nice, but I need the head rack over here to put wood over the top, like long pieces of wood, 16 feet or more. We're gonna just undo this hex bolt, this Allen wrench. It's a 16 millimeter. So I find it easier to just unloosen it all completely, and then the bottom bracket will just fall down. It's really hard to get this out. So I just unloosened it and it just fell through the bottom. That, you see the hole down the bottom, and it made it out to the floor. I just let it fall down, and then you can, most of the time it'll fall all the way down to the floor, at least one of them, and then this one you kind of just twist it out. This one you can poke it out with a pick. So I have these long picks that I bought. They are about $10, or you can get a long skinny screwdriver, and if it falls down, hopefully it'll fall down right here. If not, if it falls down here, get a flashlight and then you can stab it through these holes and push it down, and it'll fall all the way down to the floor. First, I'm going to put these bolts through the back rack to this bracket first, and hand tighten it on both sides. Make sure you use this second hole, not the hole right here. This is for the F150. It varies between your vehicle, I guess. Alright, next we're going to put this J hook into the side of the bed rail for the mounting bracket. So you put the J bolt in. It goes like aluminum spacer, female on this side, male on the other side, with the square. So square, male's aluminum, female aluminum, metal washer, metal locking washer, and a nut. They came with instructions, so you guys can read this right here. This is how the layout is. And then you put this for mine, I have since I have the rail, I have this black stop plate. So this is what it should look like. They give you these adhesive pads that will go right here for extra strength. I'm gonna use rubbing alcohol to clean the surface first, and I will put the adhesive on, and then we'll gently drop the rack on these bolts like so, and then you'll peel off the paper. That's it. If you just need the headache rack, you would just fasten down the bolt with these nuts, and then you're done. It's pretty simple. So if you guys have this not cut out, you need to cut out this shape. For this side, I didn't get to show you, but you can see it before. Use a Dremel or a multi-tool, cut out that hole. Next, I'll be installing the side racks This is an optional part to upgrade piece to put on. So if you need to install just a headache rack, you would just put the stop plate and then put the headache on top. But since we got the rails and the headache, you need to put the rails on top first and then the stop plate. I forgot to put this damn plate underneath right here, so I need to undo this, undo everything again, and slide it under this small slipping bracket and put everything back. So for the side rails, the back bracket, there's no clear instructions, but I finally figured it out, I think. Alright, so it's kind of difficult whenever you're feeding it through. It's best to get the bolt through that hole you see down there. You want the long threaded side on the top, short threaded side on the bottom, and you're gonna put the C bracket like this, flat side facing inside the bed. You're gonna put it through, and then you're gonna put the washer on the bottom, lock washer on top, and then you're gonna thread it all the way tight, hand tight all the way, and it'll be like that. And then you'll stick it in and tighten it and play with it and get the nut in. So the best way to do it is tighten the bolt up, but not all the way. Then you get a flashlight and look through that hole and play with the bolt, and you want to like wiggle the rail until you get the bolt through the hole, and then tighten it, and then it's pretty secure. All the nuts are 3/4 inch nuts. All right, and there you have it. Installed the side rails. So the most difficult part is the back. Everything else is super easy. If you install the rails, it's just more work, but it looks really nice. It's super nice and clean. It's super sturdy. It looks really good. I'm glad I got this. All right. If this video helped you guys out, please subscribe, give me a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.